Another benefit of the CJV200 is the fact that the daily maintenance has now gone to weekly maintenance. So to access that, there's a couple of places, but the most common one is test print and cleaning, down to station maintenance, right arrow, carriage out. And if you pick the first one, plat and right end, the carriage will just move slightly to the left, but we want to move it to the maintenance space, which is the far left of the printer. So press enter, and then the carriage will move. And then when the carriage moves, on screen you'll get some on-screen guidance of what you're doing in the maintenance, but we're obviously going to show you that now. So this door comes down. In your Mimaki cleaning kit you get this cleaning solution, a packet of swabs and a couple of pipettes and some gloves. Those gloves aren't the best, so I tend to use some better ones. Make sure you don't put the cap down on anything to do with the printer, because the solvent could mark the printer. Okay, so I get one of the wooden swabs and I break it in half just because it's easier to, you're not going to in danger of hitting the wrong part. And then all you're doing is just cleaning round the frame of the printhead. You're not actually touching the surface of the printhead. So just round the frame, and then to the right of the carriage there's just a little bit of the carriage that I put some cleaning fluid on, because that comes into contact with a sponge at the cap, and the cleaner it is, the longer the sponge will last. Okay, so open this door, that's the one with the sensor on. So there's two things to clean here really, the wiper blade and the cap, which are both blue now, so that indicates where you're cleaning. It's probably advisable to take the wiper out because there's a sensor directly underneath, and if the cleaning fluid was to drip down then it could affect the sensor. So you're cleaning the wiper and basically you're just stopping any build-up of solvent ink. It doesn't necessarily have to be spotless, it's just stopping the build-up, and as soon as we've done this it's going to do a clean anyway. So. And then the wiper blade's got a curve, and the curve should go to the control panel, so C to C. Slot it back in and it should just clip into place and stay flat. And then the other bit is the blue caps around. Again, it doesn't have to be spotless, you're just stopping, you're diluting basically the solvent so it doesn't congeal. And then once you've done that, that's your maintenance done. And at this point you would press enter, close the cover, enter again, and the carriage will move back.